Hi, this is Chris Goss from Upvc Locksmiths. I'm going to demonstrate how to change one of these Upvc window locks. First thing to do is to remove this tab on that side. And then just simply unscrew this. Sometimes these locks can malfunction, or maybe you've lost the key, in which case just brute force, you have to push that up. In this case it's not the problem, so you can just open it. If you have it on the tilt like that, it still stays locked and you can apply the pressure. If it's completely open, the window can open as you're doing it, so that's just a little tip there. There we go. And then comes off. Now you can get these from suppliers, but they come like that because this can be a different length. And you need to use something to cut it down. I use an angle grinder. You should wear protective goggles at all times, and you need a strong grip, maybe pliers or a vice or something is best. When you cut it down, obviously it'll be that length, put it back on, screw it back together, and job done. If you'd like me to do it, then please contact Upvc Locksmiths and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for listening.